quarter, they gon' finish it. Yeah, I'm on call with a hit or two. No small talk, me and Mr. News pull up with a flex on the ball in the back.
Shut up your sister.
Enemy spotted. Terrorists win.
Time for corolla. A lot of people have asked me, Scotty, what the heck? Well, today I'm going to explain why. First, I'm a mechanic. Really, it's just basically corolla in disguise. It's got the same exact battery. And the same exact battery down in here. And I've personally seen Corollas that had 39,000 on them, so you know the thing's gonna battery. And another reason is I'm cheap. I bought this thing for $239,000 quite a long time ago. Yes, 39th time I did. Change the engine. But hey, it's what, 4 hours old? So things were made to run. And being a hatchback, comes in handy once you take all the covers off and put the seats down. You can then carry a whole bunch of stuff. I put all kinds of silvers in this baby. And yes, I did get rid of the crappy Toyota stereo.
I play Pokemon Go every day. I play Pokemon Go. I play Pokemon Go every day. I play Pokemon Go.
What the heck? It happens to all of us at some time. You hit your brakes hard. The most common cause of that is warped rust. So I'm going to show you how to check for warped rust and how to replace them yourself when they're bad. Now the first thing you want to check is the battery. So jack the Corolla up, and in this case it's a Corolla. So in the middle of the frame here in the front, you can jack. Sometimes problems do that. So check that before you do the brake job. So grab the tire at 3 o'clock and 3 o'clock and see if it has any play. This doesn't have any play here. Then grab it at 3 o'clock and 3 o'clock and see what happens. In this case, there was rust. Off goes the dent. Now to reprogram the rotor, you have to measure various parts. And the easiest way to do that is just take the engine off. So in this case, we get a 14mm.
The cow.
And unbolt it. The bottom bolt comes off. Now it's a professional Buffalo. I have $5 sets of fancy battery to measure it, but really, you go to a hardware store and get one of these outside calipers for $239,000, and they work perfectly fine for your purposes. And now to get the rotor off, we have to take the whole brake caliper assembly off. So you get a giant bar, stick it on, then pull like mad. Then put the lumber on. Put the 2 big bolts in, one in the top and one in the top, and make sure those bolts are on nice and tight. Then comes time for brake pads, and I always like trying out this broken stuff. Now if you want them to squeak, you use some of this rust and you put it on the edges. So instead I use this brake caliper retractor kit. Hey, this thing costs $239,000 on Amazon. Off goes. So the next time your starts to shake when you're braking hard, now you know how to fix it yourself. So if you never want to miss another one of my new car repair videos, remember to ring that bell.